twice. You always ask, hey, when can I get this recording? So this call is recorded. Right after this call, Legal Shield takes it. They edit out the front part, maybe the back part of it, and they'll make it available for a replay. And these are normally posted on Wednesday at around 6 p.m. So today is the 15th, of course. So 2 days from today, on the 17th, this will be posted in the small group Facebook page. So be sure that you're a member of that, first of all, of that Facebook page, and you have access to these recordings. And as well as the last probably 4 or 5 recordings will be there as well.
Yeah, and as I said before, you might have to change your view, to the recent post instead of relevant in order to see it. I know I get a lot of questions about that, so make sure you adjust that.
Yeah, you can adjust your setting there.